know. I want to pick them up, but I don't know. Should I?
I don't know. Could be.
Wow, he almost got me.
Yeah, he did.
So we're not gonna do that. Oh! Okay. All right, buddy, we're gonna let you go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
He's so mad right now.
He is so pissed. I didn't.
You know I don't like getting manhandled.
What's crazy is, I mean, I've seen people pick him up like that, but when I picked him up, he dug in and flexed out that barb, and that could have easily pricked my finger, and that would have been a world of hurt. Yeah, that was definitely not smart on my part, but we'll let him go about his business. He might take off towards you again. There you go. Do your thing. Go on, do your thing. Oh, nice, chill. Alright, we'll stay off the road. I know. Oh. We don't like you. We don't like you. He's struggling. Alright, stay off the road, buddy. I'm gonna go see if we can find some snakes, okay? Wow, that was interesting. Oh my god. Wow. Nothing there. There it is. Sloan Conservation Area, Valley of Fire. Red rock stick. They can actually squirt blood out of their eye. Is a California king snake. What is this day? This is what I was hoping to find down here. This is a long-nosed snake. Now their patterns get a little bit broader. At least I'm pretty sure it's a long-nosed snake. He does have that long kind of snout. Nice little juvenile. Wow. I'm looking at just the pattern because I've seen long noses before, and this is what they look like. So that's what I'm going with, is a long nose. Second non-venomous species. Wow. This is such a beautiful animal. They get pretty decent size too. Yeah, more cars coming down there. I love this road because you can see cars coming from a mile away. He was right there in the middle. You're a lucky little dude. You are adorable. Yeah, that's a long nose. Love these guys. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. At first I thought Cow King. But then I kind of saw they had that little bit of a brown, yellowish kind of pigmentation right here. And then, yeah, that kind of let me know. Because you see that white stripe kind of down the middle. And then it turns into that brown kind of tan deal. That is super cool. Nice little female. You're a pretty girl. You're really pretty. You're such a sweetheart. You were all defensive earlier, and now you realize that we can be friends. I mean, I saved your life. It's the least you could owe me. Being my friend. Alright, we're gonna get some photos of this girl and let her go. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. God, you're adorable. Alright. Time to let this little girl go. We're gonna let you go way up here, where you don't have to worry about the road. There you go, pretty girl. Go on, do your thing. Another one off the list. Well, we got ourselves another little scorpion here. Hey, buddy. Calm down. You're okay. Whoa. I see you, I see you, I see you. Alright, at least you're off the road. That's the important thing. You gonna go hide?
He's like, no, I'm a scorpion. I don't hide, I stink.
Yeah. Alright, hang on. Let's get a stick here and get you on your way. Now you're good. That is a very, very beautiful tarantula. Oh. Hey, wanna see something cool?
There you are.
Wanna see something cool?
Where are you guys at right now? Oh no! What?
Yeah, here, hold this. Just gotta scoot. There we go.
No. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
that is.
Oh my
God.
gosh! Holy shit!
That's fantastic.
This is awesome.
Oh my god! Oh.
There you go, girl. Well, I should probably get you off the road, so I might get her off the road.
Oh, I'm so glad you saved his life.
There you go, girl. There you go.
Oh my god! I swear to God, on my ever-loving life.
Listen. There's another one right there. Oh wait, you see that other one right there? Okay, you see the two specks, the one that's in the middle of the frame and then the one that's next to that bush?
Yeah.
Those are both tarantulas.
Oh my god.
And then we got that one we just let go.
Oh my god.
How many more over here? Good lord. So we found this gravel road that looks great for cruising. It branched off of the other road. What's that? It's a stick? Is that a stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But we have been on this thing for how long?
30 minutes. Just going up for 30 minutes.
Just going up for like 30 minutes, and it's still going. We have no idea where this thing goes. But it looks great for snakes and stuff to be on it. We've seen a scorpion on here, but I don't really know what's going on. I see a fence over here on this side right here. So, I don't know. We're just gonna keep following it and I guess see what happens. Alright, so it's looking like what we have here. He was sleeping in the middle of the road. We just were driving by and all of a sudden this little dude just popped up. I'm thinking it's a desert iguana. I saw the stripes on the tail and it led me to also believe that it could be a zebra tail. But looking at it closely now, especially this head, I'm kind of thinking it's more along the lines of a desert iguana. But you guys let me know. I'm not an expert with the lizards here. But this is a very healthy looking individual, that's for sure. It feels so weird. Looks like he's got a little mite or a little tick or something right there on his body. Other than that though, oh, nothing like that. You gonna do like the fence lizards do? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. No, that's a zebra tail. That is a zebra tail. Look. Wow. That is a zebra tail. Holy crap, that is super freaking cool. Super freaking cool. He's just going to sleep. Just going. Oh, there you go. You're awake. You're awake. You going back to sleep? You just love it, don't you? You're living your best life, aren't you, buddy? Look at you. It's the sweetest lizard I've ever seen in my entire life. Ever. Look at that. Just passed out. Dreaming about chasing little bugs. Running through the sand. Not a care in the world. So cute. So freaking cute. Alright, well, we're gonna let him go off the road. Even though I think he could just sleep here all day, probably. Right? He's still so sleepy. So, I'm gonna take him over here by these bushes. I'll put him right here. And well, he woke up. good road, man. It's a good road. See what else we can get.